Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Trentley. Here are today's top stories. The country's COVID-19 recovery rate reaches 90%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urges people to give priority to local products while shopping during this festive season. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma pays floral tributes to Captain William Sangma on his 30th death anniversary. And Meghalaya police register a criminal case against United Bengal Liberation Army. The news in detail. India has crossed a significant milestone in its fight against COVID-19 as the recovery rate has reached 90% today. Over 70,78,000 patients have recovered from this highly infectious disease in the country so far. The active caseload of the country has also fallen below 8.5%. The total positive cases in the country today stands at 6,80,154, which comprises merely 8.49% of the total reported cases. Nearly 62,000 patients have recovered and were discharged in the last 24 hours, whereas the new confirmed cases reported in the same time span stood at around 50,000. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged the people of the country to give priority to local products while shopping during this festive season. Addressing the nation through his Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio this morning, Modi asked everyone to remember the resolve of vocal for local. He said the whole world is becoming fans of Indian products. He also stressed that many local products have the potential of becoming global and gave the example of khadi. He said khadi has remained an icon of simplicity for a long time, but is now getting recognized as an eco-friendly fabric. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma paid floral tributes to Captain William Sangma on his 30th death anniversary at a ceremony held in Bagmara. Privileged to unveil the newly erected bust of our dear leader, we honour our great leader, the architect of Meghalaya, said the Chief Minister in a tweet. Unlike previous years, Durga puja this year in Shillong has been a low-key affair. People came out yesterday as soon as the skies cleared following a spell of rain. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday visited various puja mandals on the occasion of Durga Puja festival celebrations in Shillong and took stock of the situation. While greeting the people on the festive occasion, the Chief Minister urged people to follow COVID protocols and to maintain communal harmony.
May this puja be safe for each and every one, and may this puja and this festive season bring blessings for everyone in the state. At the same time, I also urge all our citizens that during this difficult time of COVID, we should ensure that we are always safe and maintain all the protocols and be disciplined while we are celebrating this puja time. So once again, wishing everyone a very, very happy puja.
Due to incessant rains over the last few days, the NH06 Sokbala Umsning in Ribhoi district of Meghalaya has been badly affected by landslides. The Ribhoi district police yesterday urged the public to drive carefully as the movement of vehicles is concentrated only on one lane. Similar instances of landslides were also seen in Lightlincott in East Khas Hills early yesterday morning. The Meghalaya police has registered a criminal case against the United Bengal Liberation Army for criminal conspiracy for a threat to wage conflict against the local populace of Meghalaya and for criminal intimidation against Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. The UBLA, a Bengali-based militant group of Tripura, had dropped 2 letters dated October 19th at the office of the Khasi Students' Union in Jayao, Shillong yesterday morning. According to the press communique issued by the Assistant Inspector General of Police, J.K. Young Rai on Saturday, the criminal case has been registered at the Cyber Crime Police Station, Meghalaya. An investigation of the case is ensuing. In order to promote sporting activities in the constituency, 19th South MLA Sanbor Shulai today laid the foundation stone for construction of an RCC sitting gallery, retaining wall and stormwater drain at Madan Laban Outdoor Stadium. Speaking on the occasion, Shulai said that outdoor sports is important for every individual. He also said that an amount of 1,65,80,000 rupees has been sanctioned under the state plan scheme for the construction of the outdoor stadium. We look at the weather report in Shillong. The maximum temperature was 23.2 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 16 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 78%, rising marginally to 85% in the evening with no rainfall. The weather forecast tells us Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy skies with rain and thunder showers likely to occur at a few places. And for our viewers, here's a recap of today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urges people to give priority to local products while shopping during this festive season. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma pays floral tributes to Captain William A. Sangma on his 30th death anniversary. And Meghalaya police register a criminal case against the United Bengal Liberation Army. Well, that's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening and stay safe.